Piano Maestros! Welcome back to my piano room. It's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here.
Welcome back, friends. I'm Penny the piano.
We're so happy to have you back today. Guess what? We get to meet another new piano key today. Are you ready to find out what it is? It's number 7. Can you say that with me? Number 7. Awesome job! Let's find number 7 on our piano. 7 is the white key that is right next to our little group. Do you see the lit up key? That's number 7. It is a note that will lead you right back to number 1. Let's go on our number hunt. Now let's warm up and get our fingers ready to learn this song. Wiggle them nice and loose. Great! Now you're ready. Let's do an exercise to practice number 7 with numbers 1, 2, and 3. Let's practice. 1, 2, ready, go! Awesome job! You can use this exercise throughout the week. This will keep your fingers warmed up and ready. Now let's learn our new song. Today we're going to learn a brand new song called Do You Know the Muffin Man? Listen to this! Sounds great! Before we play, let me tell you something fun about this song. A long time ago in London, there was a muffin man who walked down the streets selling muffins. It was in the early 1800s. He lived on Drury Lane and people would sing about him. This song was passed down through the years, and many others sang it. Isn't that fun? So, when we sing this song, we're singing about a real tradition from many years ago about the man who lived on Drury Lane and went around selling muffins. Now let's practice! First, let's see where we will place our hands and fingers. Put your thumb on number 7. You can use the right-hand thumb or the left-hand thumb for this. Next, for your right hand, place your pointer finger on number 1, your middle finger on number 2, and your ring finger on number 3. Now for your left hand, put your pointer finger on number 6 and your middle finger on number 5. These are the numbers we'll need today, and you will use both hands. Now we're ready! Remember that we will listen first, and then we practice each section 3 times. Listen to this! it's your turn. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ready, go! Play it again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ready, go! Last time. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ready, go! Now let's learn the next section. Let's listen. Now it's your turn. 1, 2. Ready, go! Play it again. 1, 2. Ready, go! Last time. 1, 2. Ready, go! Great job! Let's play it along together. But first, do you see this castle? We are on a quest to play our song in a faraway land. On our way to London and on Drury Lane. Let's begin. 1, 2. Ready, go! This week practice Do You Know the Muffin Man a few times each day. Start slowly, then try it faster as your fingers get stronger. Remember to practice your exercise too. You did such an amazing job today. I'm so proud of you. You did it! Next time we'll learn another fun new song. Until then, keep playing, keep smiling, and remember, Every note you play is a step toward being a piano superstar. See you next time!
Bye, everyone!
Parents, want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group. Thanks for watching!